ever dreamed of starting a business that's not only profitable, but also ahead of its time? 2025 is just around the corner, and it's bringing a wave of innovative opportunities. Today, I'll share 5 future-proof business ideas that could make you the next big success story. These ideas are fresh, creative, and designed for the trends of tomorrow. Let's dive in and turn your dreams into reality. Welcome to the channel, where we explore the best ways to grow, innovate, and succeed. In today's video, we're focusing on top 5 innovative business ideas for 2025. These aren't your typical ideas. They're based on emerging trends and future needs. So, whether you're a budding entrepreneur or someone looking for your next venture, this video is for you. 1. AI-powered health and wellness platforms. Artificial intelligence is changing how we live, and the health and wellness industry is no exception. In 2025, people will turn to AI-driven platforms for personalized health insights. Picture an app that tracks your diet, exercise, sleep, and mental health and provides daily actionable tips tailored to your body and lifestyle. Why it works. Health is a universal concern, and people are increasingly looking for tech-driven solutions to improve their well-being. The global wellness industry is projected to grow, and AI makes it scalable and efficient. How to start. Collaborate with developers to create an app or platform that offers personalized health plans. Partner with fitness trainers, nutritionists, and mental health experts to add credibility to your service. Market it as a subscription service with free trials to attract users. 2. Smart delivery robots for urban areas with e-commerce booming. Delivery services are in demand. Enter smart delivery robots or autonomous devices that can deliver packages, groceries, or even food in urban neighborhoods. Imagine a small, sleek robot delivering groceries to customers' doorsteps without delays or human error. Why it works. Urban areas face challenges like traffic congestion and labor shortages, making automation essential. Businesses are eager to cut costs, and customers love convenience. How to start. Partner with robotics companies or invest in building basic prototypes. Focus on densely populated areas with high demand for delivery services. Offer your solution to local restaurants or grocery stores as a pilot program. 3. Biodegradable tech accessories. As people become more eco-conscious, there's a growing market for sustainable products. Biodegradable phone cases, laptop sleeves, and other accessories can combine functionality with environmental responsibility. Why it works. With billions of tech users worldwide, this market has immense potential. Eco-friendly alternatives align with global sustainability goals and appeal to conscious consumers. How to start. Research biodegradable materials like bamboo, cork, or recycled plastics. Start with small-scale production and test the market through platforms like Etsy or Amazon. Brand your products around sustainability to build a loyal customer base. 4. Virtual reality VR travel experiences. Not everyone has the time or resources to travel, but VR can transport people anywhere in the world. This business would offer immersive travel experiences, from exploring the pyramids of Egypt to walking through the streets of Paris or from the comfort of home. Why it works. VR technology is becoming more accessible, and people crave unique experiences. Perfect for tourism, education, and entertainment industries. How to start. Invest in VR hardware and software, or partner with developers. Create guided tour with narration to enhance the experience. Offer subscription-based access or one-time packages for schools, businesses, or individuals. 5. Remote work collaboration tools. Remote work is here to stay, but teams still face challenges like communication gaps and productivity hurdles. A business that creates advanced collaboration tools tailored for remote work can solve these problems. Think of a platform that combines video calls, project management, and team building activities all in one place. Why it works. Remote work is now a standard for many companies, and the market for better tools is growing. Businesses are willing to invest in solutions that improve efficiency and employee satisfaction. How to start? Research the pain points of remote workers and managers to develop features they need most. Offer a free trial or freemium model to gain traction in the market. Partner with companies or influencers in the tech space to promote your product. So, there you have it, 5 innovative business ideas for 2025 that can set you on the path to success. Whether you're interested in tech, sustainability, or remote work, there's something here for everyone. The future is all about staying ahead